I cleaned up the engine bay, did a little bit of painting, a gold touch on the rust, and I wired up your choke because your electric choke was not even connected. So now you should be running better. I set the idle decently, and all the lights are finally working. And I cleaned up the wires, so now, gauges on, and they dim all together. Hey, where there's a Miguel, there's a way. All day.